Yeah. So yeah, today our discussion will be on calculations, on calculated fields. How do we create new fields, computed fields, on top of the existing fields? See, let us go through the data source once. See, these are all the dimensions and measures we have, right? These are all the dimensions and measures are available by default in the data source. But
Okay.
sometimes we may need to create or compute new fields also. Okay, just
Okay.
like let us take something like sales minus profit. Okay, that
Okay.
will be cost, right? Sales minus profit.
Okay.
What does it give you? Cost. So I can
Cost.
create a new field, cost.
Okay.
See, sales, profit, both are numeric, and cost is also numeric, but there is a is equal to symbol in front of the numeric field. It it represents that it is a calculated field.
Okay. Right.
Okay, so now
Yeah.
you can use multiple this thing. Let's see. Let us take category sales, profit, and cost. All the three things together. I mean, once we derive this, it will be as simple as any other field, any other measure. Okay,
Okay.
so yeah,
Okay.
calculated field can be on any columns. It can be on dimensions also. How?
Okay.
Let us see. So let us see. There is a dimension. What do we take is uh, let us take
City plus state is one region.
city plus
State is one region. But we don't know
concatenation. You are
that.
saying.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Yeah, we can do it.
Isn't that a calculated field?
Yeah, we can do something like that also. Okay, so
Okay.
let us take compute some field like time to ship. Okay, and it is date diff some function. Okay, and the date part is day we'll consider, and uh, ship date. Okay, what we are trying to compute is time to ship, what is the order date and what is the ship date, and what is the difference between order date and ship date. Okay, we are using a inbuilt function date diff, and this difference should be in terms of what, in terms of days or months or years. So for that we are specifying a date part. We are saying it should be in days, the difference should be in days. Okay,
Okay.
does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, then say okay.
The date and ship.
Yeah, so now
Okay.
see, time to ship is a computed field and it is a numeric field. We said the
Calculated.
difference should be in days, and there is a equal to symbol in front of that, and it is representing, it is a calculated field,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
You
But
got
for
it?
the cost, there is a dot
Where is the dot?
cost.
It is equal to, see,
Okay. Maybe it's not so clear. Okay.
oops, uh, isn't it visible?
But it's not so clear.
It's not clear, is it? Maybe you can check in your screen.
Yeah,
If I
that's
change the
equal. That's
resolution,
okay. Yeah.
yeah, if I change the resolution,
No, no, no. That's okay.
Okay, so yeah,
Okay.
so these are all computed fields. See, we applied
Okay.
computation on a
Calculated.
measure or on a dimension also, on multiple dimensions, right?
Yeah.
And
Correct.
field can be computed from dimensions or measures. And at the same time, we can also do something else. Like, I mean, in this case, the calculated fields which are resulted are measures, right? Because they are numeric. Let us try to create a
Yeah.
calculated field which is dimension. Let us take
Okay.
returns. Okay, yeah, let us take returns. In this case, what is the problem is, let me show you the data. Return, see, so in this case we have applied left join, right? Orders table and the
Yes.
returns table are joined with left join. So those fields which has returns, which has the records, this those values will have those records will have yes. See, okay. Those
Yes.
records which are not available, those records will have null values because we
No.
applied left join,
Yes.
right?
Actually, yes.
What I want to say is, and here it is what is representing null means in this case, it is representing it is not written.
Okay.
So if it is written, we are showing yes. If it is not written, what we will do is we will show no.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll compute a field for that. What we will do is create a calculated field return.
Uh,
Yeah, what happened?
the page is stuck at date source.
Hello,
Okay. Now I'm listening.
what happened?
Now the page the data source was not able to get connected to the
I'm
page.
sorry, your voice is not at all clear to me today.
Yeah. Are you able to get it?
No, it's
Hello?
breaking a lot.
Not sure. Is it
Can you try to reconnect?
just exit and try to reconnect?
Yeah, at least maybe audio jack. At least try to reconnect audio jack.
Hello?
Yeah,
Is it okay?
yeah, better. Now it is better. I'm not sure what how it will be future.
Uh, okay, I just exit once and I'll connect it. It will take only 1 minute.
I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. Not at all understandable.
Uh,
It's clumsy at all.
Hello? Hello?
Yes. Hello.
Yeah, Sudhir, now you are able to hear?
Yeah, now it's better.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So let us proceed. So now we are
Okay.
trying to compute a calculated field. In this case,
Okay.
we have used returned. It is a field, and it has s and null values, and we are using a function if null. So what does it mean is, if this expression is null, if the result of this expression is null, use return this value. Otherwise, return this expression value. Okay.
Okay.
So we
So
will go
how
through
do
this.
you
We'll go through these functions. Don't worry. We'll go through each of the functions.
okay.
Then
Okay.
you will get to understand. But what I'm trying to do is, I'm trying to generate some calculated fields in different combinations.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So yeah. Now what I'm trying to do is, I'm saving this. Now see, there is a returned calculated field which is of string type, so it is placed in under dimensions, and there is an equal to symbol. It represents that it is a calculated field,
Okay.
right? Now you understand that, right? What are different kinds of combinations? Calculated field can be computed from measures, from dimensions, and the result can be the resulted calculated field can be a measure or dimension.
Okay. Yeah.
And we can convert the resultant calculated field into dimension also. It's like just any other field. I mean, earlier we converted some fields like from measure to dimension, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, like that we can convert this. If you want to use this as a numeric value, we can convert you keep it as numeric value. If you want to keep it as a I mean, sorry, if you want to keep it as a use it as a dimension, you can use it as a dimension. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
How it makes sense?
Yeah, just give me one second.
Yeah.
Just one second. Hello?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
So
Yeah. Now,
okay.
if you don't want to add those dates, and if you want to apply, if you don't want to apply any aggregation on that, what you can do, you can convert this into a dimension. Where
Okay.
it is here, time to ship,
Okay.
like this. So like this, you can apply.
So it is still okay. It is a numeric value, but it is in dimension now.
Hmm. Okay.
Okay.
So yeah, so that is the different combinations we can use. And there is one more thing, one small thing we need to keep in mind. What it is? Let us compute one more calculated field, which will give you price. Earlier we computed cost. Okay, now we will try to compute price. What is price? It is sales divided by quantity. Okay,
Okay.
I hope you know the difference
Okay.
between cost and price.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
No.
Cost is one product cost and price is like what is the billing price.
Yeah,
Like
what is
how much is the transaction.
yeah, for what we are selling. Cost is for
Hmm.
what we are buying. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Now what we are selling per unit price. So how do we know
Yeah.
sales divided by quantity? Isn't it?
Okay.
That
Yeah.
is nothing but price,
I see.
right? So what we will do? Okay, we'll create a new sheet and let us take some field category and let us take these fields, uh, sales, cost, profit, and price.
Okay.
So see what happened, and let us take quantity also.
Okay.
What happened? See, cost is 723k,
Yeah.
price is 192k.
Yeah. Because that is calculated. We did sales by quantity. So
Sorry,
yeah, we computed like sales by quantity and that's price.
so we sold it for loss, is it?
Mm, no. Profit is again 18.45.
Hmm. What does it mean?
Is it total cost of all the furnitures and okay,
Hmm?
this is for a single thing, single like it should be on single computer thing, like what do you say?
I couldn't understand anything, Swati. I think.
Hello,
Yeah, I couldn't understand anything at all. I don't know.
are you able to get your voice? Didn't get voice.
Yeah, it is
Hello.
audible, but I couldn't understand it.
Mm,
What do we do? Shall we connect through Skype?
yeah,
I hope that is
if that
better.
works out.
Yeah, I think that works. I'm
Okay.
not sure whether, uh, as part of the recording, does that capture the voice or not?
I don't think there is an recording session in Skype.
Huh? Sorry?
I don't think we can record in Skype.
Yeah, no, we cannot record in Skype. We have to subscribe it. We have to pay something for that.
Oh,
Yeah.
so
How do we do?
I'm able to hear you. You can just continue with the class. I'm able to get your voice. I don't have any disturbance. So you just keep on continuing with the class and I'll just catch it. And if I have some doubts, I'll just note it down and I'll mail it to you.
Okay. Okay, or you can type here. We have chart.
Yeah, I can even, yeah, we can even chat here.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Let us start. So now here it is somewhat confusing, right? It is cost. Cost is 723k. Price is just 192k, and there is profit. We did not even sold it for loss.
Yes.
And most importantly, what is the formula? It is sales by quantity, right?
Yes.
So sales is 742k divided by quantity is 8028, right?
Yes.
And that is price 92, not 192. 192k. It is 192k, whereas it is just 92.42.
Okay.
What does it mean?
Something is wrong.
Yeah. What is that? What is wrong?
I don't know. You have to tell me.
Okay, let's see. Let us look at the data. Okay, so here we have quantity, sales, and we have price also, right?
Yes.
So quantity is 2, sales is 262, price is 131. This makes sense,
Where
right?
where is it?
Here it is
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
130.98 is the price, quantity is 261.96, and divided by 2 is nothing but 130.98.
Okay. Yeah.
This is absolutely correct, right?
Yes.
So now what happening is the computation, the formula whichever we have given is applied at row level for each and every row.
Okay.
For each and every row, that formula is applied. See, 731 divided by 3 is 243.
Yeah.
Okay, so after that, what happening is we are applying, it is applying sum.
Okay.
Okay, so
Okay.
after computing price at
Each and
individual
every
record,
row
individual row level, it is applying sum. So it
some.
is this result is getting, we are getting this result,
Okay. Right.
right? It doesn't make sense.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
what we can do is here we can change instead of measure to average.
Okay.
Now it makes sense, right?
Yes.
91. That's what we are getting.
Okay.
Okay.
Right.
Let us see one more thing. For other
So we won't be able to get the individual price or like sum of price.
sum of price,
Like on the total, like how we are getting the cost. Cost is also executing at the row level, or is it again?
it is also executed
Is
at
it
row
on
level, but
and
it is
finally added?
yeah, it is numeric, so it can be added, but it is a ratio. Price is a ratio, right?
Yeah.
So after applying ratio, we are applying sum. So there is some
Okay.
conflict.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
And again here, see, for office supplies, average price is 30 to 32. That's what we are getting. But here we are getting 31.39, means 31.4.
Yes.
Even though if we round it, it has to be 31, right? If we round
31.
31.4, it has to be 31, not 32.
Yeah.
So we are getting some, I mean, somewhat closer values, but it is not the actual value. Let us look it for other 6939. 120.50, it is coming 120. In fact, it has to be 121 like that. So,
121.
yeah,
Yeah.
what is the problem? I mean, of course, it is a bit better than actual previous thing. But what we can do is, what we are doing here, first we are applying sum, then we are applying division. That's how we are computing, right? For sales, we are
Okay.
applying sum across all the records. For quantity, we are applying sum across all the records. Then we are applying division when we are doing with
Yes.
calculator, right? So let us do
Yes.
that way. Okay, sorry.
Yeah.
Uh, what we'll do is sales price. Uh, we'll name it as some price to. I'll name it. I cannot
Okay.
uh, look for
So
better names.
sum
Sum
of
of sales
sales,
divided by sum
uh,
of
sum of quantity.
quantity. Okay,
Yes.
now what we are trying to do is we are first applying. sum, then applying division.
Yeah. Division. Yes.
Okay, let us take this.
Yes.
Now it is what as per our
No, it is.
expectations, right?
Yes.
Okay. Of
Yeah.
course, these are
Perfect.
closer. These are not wrong. We cannot deny them. But if you want to change the order, if you want to apply different aggregations
Have
in
the exact.
specific order, you can do like that.
Yes.
Okay. Now, what it is, I mean, what do we call it is uh, original thing, sum of price. Where is that? Yeah. So this is row level aggregation. This is view level
Yeah.
aggregation.
Yeah.
View level means in this view, what is the granularity? It is per category.
Per category.
Yeah,
Yes.
category is the one we have dimension here. So in this at this dimension level, we are computing this formula, whatever.
Yes.
Okay, we are trying to figure out sales for each category,
Yeah.
okay, by summing it up and then applying division.
Yes.
Okay, so this is
Yeah. Yeah. Got
aggregation
that.
at view granularity, and this is aggregation. Sorry, yeah, this one.
On row
This
grammar.
one, this one is aggregation at row granularity first.
Row grammar.
Then we are aggregating it to view granularity.
Yeah.
Division is applied at the row granularity. Sum is applied to get it to the view granularity.
Row grammar. Yes.
Okay, you,
Yep. Got it. Yeah.
okay, so that is how we can change how to compute at various granularities. And of course, for cost also we can do the same. Let us duplicate this. Let us rename this as some cost 2 or something. And let's say sum of
Sum of
sales
sales minus sum of.
minus sum of profit. Okay, and cost 2. Here it is.
Mm.
Okay, it doesn't matter
Yeah.
because the order is
Because the
really
result
doesn't
is the
matter. We are
same.
just applying subtraction there. Whereas for
Yeah.
division, order matters,
Order matters. Yes.
right? So which order we have to follow, we have to understand whether we need to apply
Yes.
a particular aggregation at a row granularity or at a view granularity. We have to decide, and then accordingly we have to apply the formula expression in the calculated field. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so what
Okay.
I will do, I will delete this. It is not required, and I will keep these two, price and price two. Okay,
Okay.
fine, clear, right?
Yes. Clear.
Okay, so yeah, that is about view granularity and row granularity. And let us take something else. Mm, what we will do is we will compute average sales. Yeah, we will try to compute average sales first. How it will be? Let's see. Sales. Okay, instead of sum, what we'll do is we'll say, take average. Okay, this
Okay.
is average sales per category. Okay, that
Okay.
is what it
Okay.
is showing. But um, what it is actually, I mean, we want average sales per order. Okay, let us look at it.
Yeah,
How it will be. Average sales per order. What we'll do is we'll try.
per order.
Yeah, average sales per order, sum of sales. Okay, and then count D of order ID. Right? We want to compute sum of sales and we want to compute distinct count of orders and then apply division.
Yes.
See, it is different from that,
Okay. Average sales per order.
right? Why? Because average
Yeah.
sales
Okay.
is applying, what it is doing is it is applying average at row level.
Okay.
So it is applying,
So again, it must not be average sales is not according to order, I guess.
yeah, I mean, it depends on what we want. It is also average,
It
but at what granularity it matters.
Yeah. So it is at a category granularity at the moment, like not the order ones,
No,
but
it
the
need
other
not to be at category
average sales.
granularity. This computed field can be at any granularity. Let us take subcategory. Now, the same computed field will work at subcategory granularity. So, it depends on the view granularity, not at category or subcategory.
Okay.
Okay? So, it computes sum of sales for each subcategory and the count of orders for each subcategory and then apply division. So, it depends upon the view.
So this is formula that we for per order. The other average, the other one, the next one.
Can you type in?
Uh,
Can you type in?
they just
Second average sales means this one or this one? This one. Average sales per order.
no. Uh, uh,
Yeah, average sales is at row level. How? See, it computes sum of sales for all the records and it computes the number of records. Okay? Then it will apply division. So that's how average is computed. Let us say within same order there are multiple order, I mean there are multiple products order from same category. So in that case that order sales is computed at this point. Hello. Let's connect through Skype then. Okay. Maybe
Audio by note.
Yeah, we'll lose recording. Yeah, we cannot, we don't have.
Hello?
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, I'm able to. Yeah, I'm able to hear you now.
Okay, yeah, even I'm able to hear you.
Hello?
Yeah, yeah, hello.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, let's continue. Let's finish off this thing today.
Okay, okay, fine. Yeah, so this average is computed based on the number of rows. This average is computed based on the number of orders. Okay.
Yeah, that's what I was asking you. Yeah.
Yeah. And
This is,
there may be something like multiple rows may represent single order.
yeah.
Okay, let's say
Yes.
there
Duplicate.
are two products ordered within same subcategory. Then
Yes.
it represents single order, right? So that is how it is.
Yes.
Okay, so
Okay. Okay.
again, this is row level aggregation.
Yes.
This is whatever we want at any point.
Order level. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, that is
Okay.
how we can use, I mean, either row level aggregation or view level aggregation. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, that is about multiple measures. Hmm. Yeah, we have discussed about average price and profit ratio is also something like that. Let us go through profit ratio also. It is profit divided by sales.
Okay.
Profit profit ratio. Okay. S- Where how it should be profit divided by sales. Is it at
Sales.
row granularity or view granularity?
Profit ratio. View granularity.
Yes, exactly. So what we have to do? Sum of
Sum of
sales, sum of profit divided by sum of sales.
sum of sales.
So that is about profit ratio.
Yes.
Okay. And if you want to edit a calculated field anytime, you can say edit here. Okay.
Okay.
You
But
can
why is
use
it
this
zero?
drop down option and say edit. For price
Why?
also, you can edit.
No, for profit ratio, the result is 000.
For profit ratio, result is 000 because, okay.
Yeah.
Or what you can do is you can change the properties number format. I would say it is in percentages. Okay. For which one we
Okay.
change it? Oh, for profit we changed it. Sorry.
There is no control Z. No.
Yeah, we can do this one. Do for profit ratio we have to, sorry, change it to percentages. So if we change it to percentages, this 100 is not required.
Okay.
Okay. So it is
Okay.
7.40, 7.40, 2.549 like this.
Okay.
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 So like that we can apply, we can compute various calculated fields. And let us go through what else. Customer count. We discussed um,
Distance count.
yeah. So what we did by region, what is the count D of customer ID, right? We computed like this,
Yes.
right? What we can do is we
Yes.
can create a calculated field instead of every time typing over there. we can simply save this quantity of customer
Customer ID.
ID,
Yeah, missing. Yeah, parenthesis.
customer count. Okay, so the
Okay.
instead of using this, I can simply use this one.
Okay.
Okay,
So again, it got into measures. It should have been in dimensions, right?
we want to you want to compute a, I mean, apply some operation between two measures, and that has to be in dimensions, is it?
Customer count.
Customer count is a measure only. It is numeric, right? Count is numeric. So,
Yeah, count is numeric,
so
but then
yeah, and again, it is aggregatable, right? It is C. Let's
it is
say
aggregated.
C. For state, it is some customer count, and when it comes to region, it is aggregatable again,
Right.
right? So it makes sense to be a measure,
Okay. Okay.
and of course you can
Okay.
change it if you want to if you have a specific scenario, you can change it to dimension, and you can go through it. I mean, you can apply some view or logic on that. Okay,
Okay.
you
Okay.
can use it anyway, not a big deal. Okay,
Okay.
so that is about calculated fields. And the tags, we can apply some this thing, like 30% tax, like that. You can apply 30% tax on the sales. What do we do? Sales into 0.30, that is tax. Like that we can apply. let's let us take some service tax or something. uh, Tax sales into 0.15, that means 15%. Okay,
Okay.
so that will give you
Yeah.
some tax. Okay, so like this you can, or if you want, if it makes sense, you can apply on profit also. I mean, some taxes will be applied on profit, some taxes will be applied on revenue, right? So
Okay.
whichever tax you are computing, you can apply something like that. Whereas it is, in this case, maybe it is okay because it is multiplication. Either it is at the row granularity or the view granularity, it doesn't make sense. I mean, it doesn't make difference, right?
Okay.
So yeah, something
Yeah.
like that. And let's say, let us compute return volume. Hmm? So we have sales, but out of that, some orders are returned. So what do we do? We'll
Mm.
compute a. We'll try to figure out what is the amount it got returned. So returned sales. We'll apply some condition. If uh, what is that, returned calculated field, okay, equal to no, no, or yes, yes, then sales. Okay, if it is returned, I mean, if returned calculated field mentions that it is yes, it is returned, then we will consider that sales. That will give you returned sales, right?
Okay.
So like that you can compute various. So yeah, it is giving you this much return. Sales is this much, 742k, return is 59k. From this you can compute another calculated field using these two, this thing. What you can do, net sales something. net sales. We will use a original field, sum of sales minus returned sales, sum of returned sales.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so this is a calculated field, this is a original field. From using these two, we are computing a some other field.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so like this. So yeah, we can create we can apply various operations. It's not only arithmetic operations, we have various aggregations. If you look at this,
Yeah.
see, these are all the various functions, operators available. These are various, I mean, segregated like this. Logical operators, whatever we have used, if is null, if null, those kind of stuff. Case statements, or is a aggregations like count, average, max, minimum, standard deviation, percentile, variance, sum, many things we can apply on this. We can apply date functions. We have used date diff, right? So like that, we
Yes.
can apply various things. Is it a date? What is the what is today's date? Kind of dated adding dates like that, and we can apply string operations, string functions, ltrim, rtrim, like this. Many it contains. Okay, so we can apply many operations also. We will go through these functions. Maybe we will not cover number and string functions because those are all common things. You can go through them. We will cover uh, date functions, logical functions, aggregations, and table calculations, and user. Okay, hello, hello, hello. Okay, let's stop. Let's close it for today. Let us close it for today. We'll cover those functions and all. We'll cover logical functions, aggregate functions, various stuff tomorrow. Okay, so do practice for the calculations. From now onwards, it will be little advanced kind of. So you must have practice, daily practice, not weekly once or twice like that. Okay, okay, fine. Hello. Yeah, I muted it.
Hello?
Yeah, now it is good.
Oh, okay.
You are audible now.
Okay.
It seems it's something wrong. Really, it's tough to go like this. Okay, try to
Yeah.
resolve at your end. Okay, if it is not interactive, it will not be that much interesting also.
Yes, definitely.
Okay.